grammar time. You've learned a lot about going to. Of course, you can now talk about your future plans or predictions based on real evidence using going to. But maybe you remember that a while ago, we learned about the present continuous, future use. Yes, of course, we normally use the present continuous to talk about an activity that is happening right now, like, hey, my husband is working, or hey, my mom is taking a nap. But we can add a time expression and then it will be about the future. For example, oh yes, I'm going out with Mark tomorrow night. Or yes, I'm working tomorrow from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. So when do we use the present continuous future use? That is a good question and I have the answer here. You use the present continuous future use for fixed plans. It means you can control. For example, I am working tomorrow from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m., right? Or in this case, you can use the present continuous future use with you have arrangement with other people, like yes, I'm going out with Mark tomorrow night. So in both cases, we have an activity scheduled or an arrangement with other people. Now let's see the next generator and learn how can we structure this correctly. And here we are. Well, in order to make affirmative and negative sentences using the present continuous, the first thing we need is a subject. You know, I, you, he, she, we, they, or a noun. Jimmy, Carla, Delia, a subject. And after that, well, we need the verb be. The verb be has three different conjugations, affirmative and negative ones. For example, I am, you are, he is, she is, or the negative part. I'm not, you aren't, she isn't, he isn't, we aren't, right? And after that, well, you need a verb with ing at the end. For example, I am cooking, I am working, I am traveling, I am doing, I am having, always with the ing or in at the end of the verb. And at the end, well, you need a complement. You know, a complement could be a phrase for the future, like tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, or on the midnight. So this is the future. Hey, don't forget it. We use this present continuous for the future when you have a fixed plan or an arrangement with other people. So again, first of all, the subject, then the verb be, am, is, are, always use the correct option. After that, you need the verb with ing at the end, you know, cooking, working, traveling, etc. And a complement at the end. So here we go.